Kaya na.
Sing.
Bruh.
Pwede kayo magsalta.
It's a brown insect that...
No, it can be any type of color.
It's scary.
Cockroach. Bugs.
Pass! Pass! Oh my God!
Reindeer.
No.
Unicorn.
Yes! Pass! Pass. Oh! Yee! This is in the North Pole!
Penguin. Crab.
2 words. First word, H.
Hammer crab.
Yes! Ow! Philippines has a lot of this. Ow! Itchy!
Mosquito.
It stinks! The tail! It's like a poop!
Eclaters. Squirrel.